Sinumsebenzi thina kaNkulunkulu vele.
We are the work of God.
uNkulunkulu ngesikhathi edala umuntu
When we were created,
wathi umuntu ufuna buse phezulu
He
kwakho
said that we should rule over
wamenza kade ichaza umfundisi ukuthi wamenza wayenokuNkulunkulu
and made him godly.
so umuntu befana noNkulunkulu babuthwala
So
umuntu bengakwazi ukuthi ethi intaba gudlu intaba igudlu ngoba enengxenye yoNkulunkulu
he will remove and it
but yena umuntu ngenxa kaSathane
because of the
isitha
enemy
samenza wona
made him sin.
so umuntu wasexabana noNkulunkulu
So God wasn't different.
thana
from
umuntu
God.
uqabele noNkulunkulu
Isn't different.
sithola imfihlo enkulu la ukuthi umuntu nje akakwazi ukuya aziyele
The great
kuNkulunkulu
secret is revealed.
noma ngathiwa uNkulunkulu umbiza ngento ngambiza ngayo uthi ubani noma uthi umvelinqangi noma uthi usimakade noma uthi uGod noma uthi awukwazi ukuziyela wena kuNkulunkulu ngoba umuntu noNkulunkulu kuqabele
Because God and man isn't different.
tshela sikuthanda umuntu
Tell the one next to you,
noNkulunkulu
God and
kuqabele even
are in
namanje
difference even today.
ngifuna singene kule nkonzo wazi kahle
I want us to
uyiqonda lento
and aware
umuntu nje
that man
noNkulunkulu
and God
kuqabele
are in difference.
umdala usuyoguga ukhona
When you are old,
mawukuthi jawe emukela uJesu
even if you've known
khohlwa ukuthi lento ayithandaza uNkulunkulu uyayizwa
God,
because umuntu noNkulunkulu akuzwani